1995 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra R. 1995 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra R specs. Engine, 5.8-liter V8. Transmission, 5-speed MT. Power, 300 horsepower. Torque, 365 lb-ft. After the success of the Cobra R in 1993, Ford's SVT division decided to give Mustang performance fans an encore for 1995. Because of the low production numbers and upgraded performance, Cobra Rs average more than double that of their non-R counterparts, $20,546 for the 1995 model year. So, although most SN95 Mustangs tend to be pretty affordable, you'll find that nice SVTs can fetch hefty sums at auction. The Hagerty Price tool values a ConSource example at $89,900, and Classic.com's highest recorded sale comes in at $80,000.